So what we have here today is the caliper covers from Caliper Fiber. The reason why these caliper covers, you should get these because one, there's like 15 different colors of these things. Unlike the previous company that had the caliper covers, they will only carry like red, yellow, black, sometimes blue, sometimes gray. But you can get anything. It comes with like cool little decal. You can get it in black, you can get it in white. They fit all models and trims. You know, when you go to the website, you just want to plug it in and say what trim you have, you know, all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, 2018 to 2024 at this point. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the ones on the rear, and then I'm gonna show you how to install the ones on the front. Okay. So in the box, you're gonna get a little pamphlet. Inside that pamphlet, you got a instruction manual, and you have tools to install it. Okay. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward. It just shows you, you know, what you're supposed to get inside your box. So this right here, this extra screw and extra nut, those are just extra, just in case you break or lose one. You got the Allen key and you got a wrench that you're gonna need. I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use that. I'll show you how you're gonna use that. So now, what you see here, it tells you the ones for the front wheel are different from the ones on the back wheel. Okay. So the ones in the front, as you see right here, it's made differently than the one for the rear. So if we want to look at it in person, this one right here, if you match it up, it's the one for the rear wheel. Okay. And then the one for the front, let's hope I grabbed the right one the first time. I grabbed another rear. The ones from the front are actually bigger, and you can clearly see the difference in what they look like. Okay, now you got a fixed clip and a movable clip. So now this is the fixed clip right here. It's not going to move, obviously. And the movable one, that's common sense, it moves. Okay, you got the little screw right there where we're going to undo. I told you exactly what we're going to do and how you're going to do it, but you guys don't need this. You got me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this clip. I want to make sure that this clip right here gets inside this groove right here, and underneath you're gonna see this right here. So now you want to take your extra clip, you want to squeeze it in there. Another benefit of having this caliper cover, it decreases the brake dust that you get on your wheels. And if you have OEM wheels, as you see in one of my videos, you don't need a spacer. You don't need a spacer to fit these caliper covers. They will clear on OEM wheels. It's really close. I'm not gonna lie, it's really close, but they will clear on OEM wheels. Okay. I just realized that the caliper covers in the front for Caliper Fiber are different from the HRS ones in the front. As you can see, this one's kind of flat. You know what I'm saying? So remember I was saying before about the clearance? I think these right here are more specifically designed so that you won't have that real tight space in between your OEM wheel and the caliper cover. and just, you know, more safer or whatever. But I never had an issue with it. As you can see, I don't got no scratches on it. Clip inside the groove right there. All right. Done. Make sure that it's lined up perfectly over here. Make sure there's no gap right here. Give it a little nudge, it should move. Alright. Besides that, guys, honestly, I'm not gonna show you how to take a wheel off. If you don't know how to take a wheel off, probably shouldn't be modding your car. So yeah, so take the wheel off, slap that on, front and rear, put the wheel back on. So this is for the manual parking brakes. As you see in the rear, how I look on the XSC, XLE, and TRD, or even an SSC all-wheel drive has electronic parking brakes. So it might look slightly different, but it's pretty much the same process when you're installing it.